You start with fire. You swear this time will be different, and for a few days it is. You feel good, productive, focused. But then it happens. Life gets busy, motivation fades, one missed day becomes two. And before you know it, you're back at the beginning. Again. Why does this keep happening? Why do we keep starting over? And more importantly, how do we finally break the cycle? Let's talk about it. Most people think the problem is them, that they're lazy, weak, inconsistent. But it's not about discipline. It's about the cycle you've been trapped in. You start with unrealistic expectations. You try to do too much too fast. And when life punches back, you collapse. Not because you're weak, but because your system was unsustainable. You blame yourself instead of your strategy. This is the trap. Motivation is addictive. It makes you feel powerful until it's gone. You rely on it to get started, but when it fades, so does your progress. That's because motivation is emotional, and emotions are unstable. Real change doesn't come from motivation, it comes from structure. If you don't have a system for the days you don't feel like it, you'll always be starting over. This is where most people fail. You miss one day and tell yourself the whole week is ruined. You eat one bad meal and spiral into a junk food week. You break the streak and say, what's the point? This is all or nothing thinking, and it's the #1 reason people never build momentum. Perfectionism kills consistency. First, start smaller than you think you should. 2, build streaks, not extremes. 3, focus on identity, not intensity. 4, build a fallback plan for the hard days. 5, forgive fast and restart instantly. This is the structure that replaces motivation. This is how momentum is built. Small steps, zero guilt. Never start from zero again. You're not broken. You don't need to start over again. You just need to stop quitting. Every time you show up, even in a small way, you shrink the gap between who you are and who you're becoming. You don't need another reset. You need rhythm. Show up messy, show up tired, just don't disappear. Your future self is already clapping. If this video helped you see your patterns more clearly, subscribe for more real strategies that stick. We don't hype things up here. We build slow, we build real, and we build to last. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.